good, y'all? It's Sydney back again with another shenanigan video, and obviously by the title I'm doing like an unboxing, affordable price bundles and closure that you can receive from this website. So it's from Pretty Elite. If y'all been watching my last YouTube videos, then you would know that I bought some 3D mink strip lashes from them before, and I was obviously happy with how it all turned out. So and obviously if you know, then you will also know that this is one of my friend's company business, two of them. And yes, I told y'all, you know, they sell hair, they got, you know, some accessories here and there. They got it all. Let me tell y'all about the, you know, the shipping and handling real quick. Nothing went wrong on their end. It was more so where they get it from end, because I believe their shipping is usually like 3 to 5 or 5 to 7 business days. Whatever like the normal shipping is, that's normally how they do it, and it normally comes in like a nice amount of time. Like, ordering lashes from them was not my first time ordering from them, and they're based in Ohio, if you guys don't know that. But yes, they're based in Ohio. But yeah, so like it took like 2 weeks because of this dang old coronavirus. They messed up everything. Like, they stopped all FedEx, USPS, whatever all kind of shipping is, they stopped it. So like my hair was being held, and so I couldn't get my hair in a proper time that I wanted, which is fine because I really wanted it for like All-Star Weekend. I ended up not going. That's a long story, a story that doesn't really need to be said. But basically, my birthday is coming up on Sunday, the 23rd. Hey, so yeah, you know, I still wanted it. They was like, oh, we'll refund your money for you. And I'm like, no, because like I still want the hair, let alone I still want it for my birthday. So please don't cancel this order. I'll just get it when I get it. So, you know, it was completely understandable. They were very apologetic about it, but it's like, I know that it wasn't their fault. Like, it was literally out of their control. They couldn't do anything. So what I ordered was two 26 bundles, 26-inch bundles, a 24 and a 5x5 HD lace closure. And y'all, I got closures before, but this is my first time having a HD lace, and I'm super excited because them things be looking like they melted. Like, it be like this could be a HD lace closure and y'all wouldn't even know. But no, these are some feed-in braids with like some little curly ends or whatever. But yeah, so I'm super excited about this HD lace closure because I just know it's gonna be lit. But let's get into the bundles. So these are the 20. Look at their packaging, y'all. Let's talk about it. It is so cute. So these are the 26. This is the longest length I would have ever had. I always do 24, and my friends be like, girl, them baby inches, if you don't get no 26. I'm like, okay, y'all, my bad. Like, I consider myself kind of short, so like 24 be decent length on me, you know. So here's the 26. Yes, come y'all, I can't wait to have this in my head. Okay, here's the 26 inches though. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Here's the 24. As y'all can see, like, it's so soft. It does not have like a stench to it. It doesn't have a smell to it. It smells like normal bundles to me. Let me show y'all the so this one's the 26. And then this one's the 24. So yes, here's this. These are all 3 bundles right here. I'm so excited. So this is the closure. Let me take it off of the thing for y'all. This is the closure. I believe this is I can't remember if this is a 20 or 18-inch closure. I believe I got a 20-inch closure because I wanted to get the longest so it will blend all together with my 24 and 26. But yes, here's the closure. Let's talk about the lace. Okay, you know, look how clear this is. Come on, closure, come through. Okay, so yeah, so this is my first time wearing their hair. I trust them. I've seen them with this hair before, so you know, I think they're pretty good bundles for affordable price. I got all of this for, I want to say it was like $2.90, and I used a 15% off coupon. Like if you subscribe to their website, you automatically get a 15% coupon. So I would definitely suggest doing that because that 15% came in handy. But I feel like 3 bundles for $2.26, a 24, a 20-inch HD lace closure for basically like $300, like that's super affordable. Like you're not really gonna get that at other hair shops, you know. And so I will be dyeing this hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do, you know, pop out with the red. If y'all follow me on Instagram and, you know, kind of scroll down a little bit, y'all will see that I wear red hair often. I kind of wear it, I used to wear it all the time. Like literally I was wearing red hair for like 2 years straight. Like every style that I was getting was red. So yeah, so basically I don't know if I'm gonna do red or like shades of blonde. I don't know how I'm feeling for my birthday yet, but anyways, yeah, so I'm super excited. Oh, I can't wait to put this in my head, y'all. This is gonna be so fun. So yes, so this is the closure. Here's the bundles. Oh, I forgot, they also gave me some pens. Now I did not purchase these pens. I'm guessing that they gave them to me because of the dango virus, how it made my process in getting my hair take so much longer. So they also sent me these pens. Now they sell these on their website also. But yes, I will be installing these pins when I wear my hair. I'm most likely going to get a middle part if I haven't already said that. And yes, honey. But yeah, so this is, you know, the bundles and the closure. The closure and the bundles. I'm so excited because I cannot wait to have this installed in my head. Like, y'all, I don't think y'all understand. I don't think y'all understand.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't.
Once my hair is slayed to the gods, and that's just on period. That's on what? Period. I will literally show y'all like how it took color, because either way it's going to, I'm going to dye it. So I'm either going to dye it red or it's going to be shades of blonde. So I will show y'all how it took color, the texture of it once it's been colored and straightened and all this etc stuff. I will show y'all the closure. I will show y'all it all. Everyone, this is the hair installed and dyed, and oh my gosh, I love it. So this is not right after I got my hair done. I'm actually filming this a couple days later from me getting my hair done, but like, come on, come on. This is obviously when the curls fell, but this is it dyed. See how I'm just running my fingers through, like, so this is the closure though. Got my little baby hairs. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I had her make it into a wig. So this is actually a wig. Like I can take this on and off right now if I want to. But yeah, so one of the first things I asked my stylist is, I was like, oh, okay, so like, how did the hair take? Do you think it's some good hair? You know, I asked her all the good stuff because she kind of got the first hand of everything before I did. And so she said it dyed perfect. She loved the hair. She said they have some great hair. She said the only thing is the closure dyed a little bit faster than the bundles. But for me, like, I like that because it kind of gives like an ombre look, like ever so slightly. So I think that's fine. Definitely will be ordering from them again. By the way, this is, mind y'all, 226, a 24, and a 20-inch closure, HDLaceClosure. Okay, yeah, but no, like seriously, like I love this hair. I love this color. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. Like literally after this morning, I can't even talk about this morning. Like literally this morning I brushed my hair like 2-3 strands of hair came out, and that's like, that's normal. You know, you don't want to get nothing where you gotta wrap it up and all that etc stuff. So I would definitely suggest buying from them. You know, shop Pretty Elite. I will make sure I tag their name below, and I will make sure I put their contact information in with their website. But yeah, see y'all later.